Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. HDFC Bank jumped over 2% today, powering Nifty to 24,250 rupees too. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In just 6 minutes, you'll see the top gainers and losers, plus what drove today's market action. DII's net bought for 4, and that flow showed in the index action as Nifty opened at 24,176 rupees 65 and pushed to a high of 24,283 rupees 55 before settling at 24,250 rupees 2, with a low of 24,136 rupees 75 versus yesterday's close of 23,985 rupees 35. Technically, RSI at 60.4 reads neutral, but the short-term picture just turned a bit friendlier. EMA9 at 24,057 rupees has just crossed above EMA20 at 24,049 rupees, a bullish crossover in plain terms, signaling short-term momentum picked up. Volume was normal versus the 20-day average, so today's move looks orderly rather than a panic spike. Watch the resistance around 24,367 rupees and support near 24,011 rupees. Nifty is trading within 1.1% of its 52-week high at 26,373 rupees too, so that zone is a tough test historically. One quick joke: the index flirted with the highs today like a guest who won't leave the party loud but not reckless. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments. I read everyone. Infosys opened at 1147 rupees 0 and closed at 1155 rupees 6, up 4.51%, with a high of 1164 rupees 5 and a low of 1128 rupees 4. Yesterday's close was 1105 rupees 7. The clear driver today was heavy volume ran at 2.5 the 20-day average, which points to institutional conviction, and the stock also registered a 20-day closing high breakout, putting it into price discovery territory. RSI at 74.7 flags overbought conditions in plain English, so the rally is hot and could invite profit-taking at any sign of hesitation. The key level to watch is resistance at 1164 rupees and support at 1073 rupees. If it holds above the 20-day breakout, that's significant to note. Little dry joke: Infosys sprinted today with RSI 74.7. It's not a stock, it's over-enthusiastic applause. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Transitioning now to the consumer heavyweight that surprised traders today. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Hindustan Unilever opened at 2050 rupees 5 and closed at 2117 rupees 8, up 4.7%. hitting an intraday high of 2123 rupees 0 and low of 2047 rupees 0. Prior close was 2022 rupees 7. There wasn't a headline catalyst in the feed, but volume ran at 2.48 the 20-day average, which again looks like institutional activity underpinning the move. Technically, RSI at 47.7 reads neutral, and EMA9 at 2124 rupees sitting below EMA20 at 2136 rupees shows the short-term trend is still a touch softer, so today's gain is interesting against that backdrop. The key level to watch tomorrow is resistance at 2145 rupees and support at 2114 rupees. Holding above support would be notable. Sarcastic one-liner: Hindustan Unilever rallied today like someone suddenly remembering they had a coupon. Polite but effective. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. Next up, telecom flirting with its 52-week high. Bharti Airtel opened at 1915 rupees 2 and closed at 1950 rupees 2, up 2.54%, with a high of 1957 rupees 0 and low of 1913 rupees 1. Prior close was 1901 rupees 8. The picture shows a short-term bullish tilt. EMA9 at 1913 rupees is above EMA20 at 1897 rupees, and the stock hit a 20-day closing high breakout, entering price discovery territory. Volume was about 1.08 the 20-day average, so activity was steady. RSI at 69.7 sits high, but technically still in neutral to caution territory, and notably it's trading within 0.3% of its 52-week high, so that resistance zone around 1957 rupees is important to observe. The key level to watch tomorrow is resistance at 1957 rupees and support at 1878 rupees. How it behaves near that 52-week band will tell you a lot about follow-through. Dry joke, Bharti Airtel spent the day breathing down its 52-week high. It's practically whispering sweet nothings at resistance. This is what the data shows. Always do your own research before acting. That wraps the movers. Quick summary next. Today's theme was momentum driven by pockets of institutional buying, lifting Nifty to 24,250 rupees too, and pushing several large caps into short-term breakout territory. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow. First, whether Nifty holds the EMA crossover and support near 24,011 rupees. Second, how stocks that made 20-day closing high breakouts handle nearby resistance levels 1164 rupees for Infosys and 1957 rupees for Bharti Airtel. If this analysis helped, like the video, drop the stock you're watching in the comments, and subscribe for more market-focused updates. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.